If you want to install Good Lock on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the Galaxy Store. In here, we should be able to find Good Lock. We can tap on this magnifying glass in the upper right corner to start searching. Over here at the bottom, we have the search field, so we can go over here and we can type Good Lock. There we go. Then we should be able to find the app, so you can either use this arrow on the right side, or you can tap on the app itself, and in here we should be able to install the app pretty easily. Now, once we install the app, we can open it. And that is pretty much it. Of course, inside of the app, you will find many additional plugins. First, we need to actually tap on agree and continue over here, and there we go. So here we can find many different plugins, and you can tap on any of them in order to find more information about them, to find out what they do, what they provide. And if you want to install the plugin in order to be able to make use of these additional features, you just have to tap on this arrow that we have here in this place, or you can use the arrow that we have on the right side on the list of plugins. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.